Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, guys, we're gonna be unboxing our March/April edition of Chic Beauty Box. You guys want to see what I got in here, what my thoughts are? Well, then definitely keep on watching. Okay, so I just want to start off by saying thank you so much to Chic Beauty Box for gifting this to me in PR. It really means so much to me. This box is always so much fun to open up because they always do 5 full-size items with like a retail value of $100 plus. And what's actually really cool is I really like the fact they do a lot of they do a lot of mix of drugstore to high-end, and they're pretty much always makeup items, which I'm really grateful for. If you guys don't know, I do actually have a discount code, which I'll go ahead and leave right here for you guys, but it does save you guys 10% off your first box. So typically this is a bi-monthly subscription, so every single month you do get charged $35.99, and you do have to pay for shipping and handling because this is coming over from Canada, so there is like a $7 to $8 shipping fee, but then you do get the 5 to 6 full-size products in here. Now if you guys don't want to be part of the subscription, you just want to pay for the box, it's going to be $39.99 plus shipping and handling, but that's where my code can kind of like cover the shipping and handling cost. But I do want to say thank you so much to Chic Beauty Box for gifting this to me. What's actually really cool is that right here it says Chit Chats right there for like, and it has like little Canadian like flag, like maple leaf. Is it a maple leaf? You know. But I'm so excited to dive in here. I think I saw one spoiler, but I tend to not pay attention to spoilers because I just I don't know, I like to be surprised. All right, so here we have the box right here, but we also have something outside of it. So let's go and open up this little bad boy right here. I can see that it says Naked Cosmetics. I can see it says Naked, and it is the Urban Decay Heat Palette. Oh my gosh, I have got to show you guys this product. Okay, you know what's actually really weird is that it's just scotch taped on both sides. Just some scotch tape. Okay, so it did scotch tape both sides. I don't know why they did that, but here we have the Naked Urban Decay Heat Palette. I am just having trouble with makeup subscription boxes today. So here is the Urban Decay Heat Palette, and you guys can tell this shade right here has kind of popped up and it left a stain on the mirror even though I just opened it. It is what it is, like it does happen, it's not the company's fault. But I just did my BoxyCharm and Ipsy unboxing, and I've been having some issues in those boxes as well, makeup products. But yeah, here we have the Urban Decay Heat Palette. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add this to a no waste Wednesday because oh my god, this palette has scratches on it too. What is going on? So look, there's some scratches right there. What? And this was like taped in there. There's like literally like scratches. You guys see that on both sides? The box kind of like opened and then it was duct taped. Like, do you guys see that? Like, or then it's like scotch taped right in there. Do you see that? What is going on right now? Okay, well, I'm going to go ahead and clean and sanitize this, just be safe. And I'm going to go ahead and put this into my No Waste Wednesday. I actually originally owned this palette years ago. It's one of the first palettes I ever sold on Poshmark, and I just never cared for the palette. I think I used it once, so I'm going to go ahead and add this to a No Waste Wednesday just because I know I'm never going to use this. But it's just so weird because I've been like, I just unboxed, and this one looked like, I just unboxed this in my BoxyCharm one, and this one like looked used or opened or played with before, and I'm just like, what is happening? Okay, so what's actually really cool about Chic Beauty Box is that they do have a little insert right here where they can tell you what the variations are of each one. Typically they'll say variation 1, 2, 3. This time they didn't do that, but they do have all the prices right there, and you can kind of just get a mix and match of each one, which I do appreciate. So this palette right here, this does retail for $54, so that is nice. The next product that I see in here is from NARS. This is a Velvet Matte Lip Pencil in the shade Dirty Mind, and this retails for $27. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. Ooh. It's purple. I would never use this as a matte lip liner, unfortunately, just because I don't really wear purple lips. So I'm going to add this to a No Waste Wednesday as well, just because I know I would not get a use out of it, unfortunately. But that's really cool. They put it in here. They always put NARS products in here. Next, we got a product from Rodin. This is Rodin Oily Lusso. This is a luxurious lipstick. And right here it says it's a luxurious face oil, but that's not this. So this retails for $38, but they do have a Rodin Oily Lasso luxurious face oil that retails for $96. Holy crap. This retails for $38. Ooh, that's really pretty. That's really cool looking. Ooh, that's a really pretty color. So here we have this right here. I probably mix it into another shade, but that's still really soft, very creamy. The second I put it on my eyes, wow. The second I put it on my lips, the second I put it on my hand, it was very creamy, went on like butter. And I really do like the packaging. It's a very, very beautiful packaging. That is nice. I've never even heard of that brand before. Next, I do have a product from Milani. This is the Milani Peach Seed Oil Infused Lip Treatment. And on here, it says that this retails for $10. I really do like Milani. Ooh. Oh. It smells so good. Tastes like a fake peach. Doesn't taste that great, but I'm definitely down to give this a go. I think this is part of like their new line they had recently rolled out. I really do love Milani, so that's exciting. I'm gonna keep that right here on my desk so that I can put lip oil on at all time and smell like heavenly peach. All right, last but not least, they do have the Maybelline. This is the Last Fix Loose Setting Powder All Day Matte Finish. This retails for $9.99. I've actually never tried their product before. I do have like other Maybelline like matte products, but I don't have their setting powder, surprisingly enough. So we're gonna definitely have to open this, give it a go, see how well it locks in the makeup. This looks to be translucent. Even though it doesn't say on here, it does look to be, oh, it does, okay, translucent. So that is really cool. There's other things you could have gotten here. You could have gotten some Huda Beauty products, some Too Faced products, some more NARS products, some Clarins products. So there's quite a few different stuff that you could have gotten in this box. But yeah, that is everything that we got in this box, minus the Urban Decay palette. I thoroughly did enjoy this. Even though I got some like drugstore, I also got a mix of high-end as well. And that's why I really do appreciate Chic Beauty Box, because it kind of just gives you like a range of drugstore to high-end. And that's actually really nice, kind of refreshing. And drugstore makeup has come such a long way from where it started. So it's really nice to kind of play with these. But I am thrown off just a little bit by this, just a tiny bit. Maybe, I'm sure it's nothing, but maybe just because of how my video I just filmed before this one, I'm kind of like, oh, that's so weird that they taped it and it's like scratched on the inside. Kind of weird, but overall, I still am very grateful to Chic Beauty Box for gifting this to me in PR. It means so much to me. This box is always so much fun to open. It's bi-monthly, so you don't have to get it every single month. You can choose when you get it. You can choose which one you want to get or if you want to sign up for it. These are always so much fun to do. So this is definitely a really quick video. Usually when I do Chic Beauty Boxes, they're always so quick because there's only 5 items. But yeah, that is everything that I got in this box. Pretty cool box, and I'm looking forward to my No Waste Wednesday this month. So with that said, guys, that is everything that we have in today's video. If you guys like this video, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post 3 to 4, mostly 5 times a week. Make sure you guys head over to my other channel. It's R4 to Life, where you guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures, my amazing husband, Corey. A huge thank you to all these beautiful Patreon members right here. Thank you guys so much for everything you guys have done. And to my subscribers and viewers, thank you guys so much for being here. But I think you guys like this video, you guys thumbs down this video, you guys subscribe, did not subscribe. Either way, thank you guys so much for being here. I appreciate each and every single one of you. So with that said, guys, I love you, and I'll see you guys right next video. Bye!